How to send disappearing message on Instagram. Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. First of all, you want to open the Instagram app on your device and make sure you are logged into your account. Now, the disappearing message is a message that automatically deletes once it has been viewed or once the recipient leaves the Instagram chat, leaving no record of those messages in the chat history. If you want to send a disappearing message, you want to tap on the chat icon at the top right corner of your screen. Then from here, you want to select a conversation in which you want to send the disappearing message. Now tap on the camera icon at the bottom left corner of your screen. From here, you can either record a video or take a picture. You can also select one from your gallery. Now on the bottom left corner, it says Allow Replay. You want to tap on it until it says View Once. Now tap on the Send option. Now once the other person views this message, it is automatically going to disappear. If you want the entire chat to disappear once you have left the chat, for that case you want to swipe up and then enable the vanish mode. All the messages that you have sent on the vanish mode will disappear once you close the chat. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions or confusions, do leave them on the comment section, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.